Well, this is what we're making, charcoal. Big bits or little bits. But these, one of the old pea sticks that we made on a campfire. And I'll show you how we're going to do it. We've got a tin, a nice square tin. It don't have to be a square tin, but basically we've got a tin and there's just a single hole in the lid. Just one single hole in the lid, and then we've broke the bits up. Just ordinary sticks like this. These are quite dry, but they don't actually have to be dry. And we're putting those bits in the tin. There we go. All ready for cooking. And then the lid on. And then when we have our fire tonight, that will go on the fire. There, fire's all ready. There's some of the tins that we've already got charcoal in. That was what we made last night. See how the tin works? It's just simply a slot cut out. I've done a video of this. A slot cut out. There's holes in the opposite side to that, and there's a bit of wire in there just to keep the charcoal up out of the ash. I've got them at different heights. This one I've done slightly higher so that I can feed the firelighter in under the slot, and I've got some sawdust for lighting the fire. Not sawdust, some shavings for lighting the fire. And there we go. That's it. Shavings, wood shavings. There. So, and then the kiddies will be cooking on both of those tomorrow. One of these with that much wood ash with that much charcoal in there, it'll last about 3/4 an hour. So 5 or 10 minutes to get it started, and then you can put your frying pan on the top or your kettle or whatever. It takes a kettle, it takes about 10 minutes to boil. So there we go. We'll show you them cooking later. And there's our tin cooking, making charcoal. And there's the charcoal being used.
What did you just say?
Right, next morning. Here we go. Charcoal. That can all go in the charcoal bin.